Gail Demarco.
I'm Melissa Anderson.
And we are here at Sawmill Lakes.
Sawmill Lakes is a single-family home community with about 382 homes located right off of Ponte Vedra Boulevard.
One of the things our clients love about this neighborhood is no matter where your house is, no matter where, you have a view lot, you are backed up to the preserve, or you're facing the lake, every lot is special.
Prices in this neighborhood range anywhere from the 700s up into the millions.
And the square footage is anywhere from 1,400 square feet to 4,400 square feet.
If you have any questions at all, you can find our contact information in the description, or feel free to leave a comment and we'll be sure to reach out to you.